Now the floor is a bit of a sacred space because you're lying on it and you've got your mats, your towel. But again, some of you are familiar with the ATMs, you don't always stay on your mat. You might have to roll off it a little bit at times. So that's what I'm saying, the carpet's a bit of a sacred space. So if we cannot have our shoes on the carpet, then you can be confident at least that you're not putting your face where someone's dirt from outside has been. So I have got shoes, but these are my indoor shoes. So I've got my outdoor shoes, and if you like that to wear have little indoor shoes or slippers, that's fine. Socks, we just be aware that you are becoming floorfish is the Feldenkrais term for the evolutionary process that you're about to embark on. You're going to become floorfish. And therefore your domain is the floor. So we'd like to keep the floor as clean as possible. And not walk on each other's mats, if that's okay. I think that's just nice to not walk on someone where their face is going to be. And you've all got your little bits to keep you happy, your water bottles and your notebooks and this and that and the other. Just be, again, aware of where they are in space, as much as possible when we're doing ATMs to have them away. That's fine, that they're there now. You'll start to get a feel for when you need stuff by you or not, and that you sometimes need to move it if it's a big rolly ATM, and often we'll remind you. If it's a bit of a gymnastic ATM, and you're going to end up in a pretzel kind of position 6 meters away from where you started, we'll let you know so that you can clear the decks of it. I think that's kind of the niceties around ATM. There are pads and stuff, rollers, spare mats up the back if you find this floor is a little bit hard. Jenny's got some spare props. And as much as possible now, your comfort is your responsibility. So Jenny and Zoran and I are here to sort of monitor your learning, as it were, on the floor. However, the whole point of the Feldenkrais method is this development of responsibility and ownership for your own comfort and taking the care to look after yourself. So if we keep coming over and taking responsibility for your comfort, we are robbing you of an opportunity to learn. Now, when you say that to your kids, they just go, "Oh, you're just being lazy." Yes, we are being lazy. However, you can see the point, right? So if we notice something that we think we can have a bit of a positive influence on, we will come over and quietly have a chat to you. But in that spirit of the first principle being that you're taking full responsibility for yourself, and that what you're developing is, in this first instance, is how you're going to be kind to yourself, right? So if we keep jumping in and being kind first, we don't give the opportunity to learn how to be kind. Okay, so please lie on the floor, and rather unusually lie in a way that you find comfortable. Anyway. So there's a bit